so cool how it moves. Alright, get up. Or you're getting back or something. Damn! 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 Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I talk to you for a minute? Tell me sit here, what's up? Yeah, what's up? I just want to tell you, back your head is ridiculous. Forget it, I'll do that. Where's your boyfriend? Where's your boyfriend at? Had a refreshment. Then, is he getting you refreshments? He getting you Mike and Ike. Oh, you like Mike and Ike. Where's your boyfriend at? Is he tall? Is he heavy? Is he coming back?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Oh, he's gone!
Hey, we're leaving, guys.
Oh, what are you doing? You start to do good. Look at that camera.
Derek.
Oh, you can't see anything.